Okay, we bought that. A 2024 Porsche 911 4S Cabriolet. And just like all the other cars, we go through this process where somebody has to get out and open the garage door for the next 3 weeks until we decide to figure out how to program the remote. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do a video, be done in just a couple minutes. Let's do it. Told you we'd get this done before it got dark, didn't I? All right, first of all, it says the car's got to be in aux, but it doesn't need to be running, right?
Right.
So here's the lever. Just going to turn it one click to the right without my foot on the brake. Menu comes up. Oh, it's already on the menu. There's a Homelink button. I'm going to push that. Configure new profile, right? Configuration process of the new has been started. Please point the remote at the PCM and activate it. All right, so you're gonna do the middle one, right? Answer me.
Yes.
All right. The remote may need to be pressed for a while. Oh, there it is. Configuration of remote successfully completed. A rolling code system was detected. You can continue the synchronization. All right, I'm gonna push next. Synchronizing required to use the Homelink profile. All right. Press and hold the send signal button for several seconds within the range of the garage door. Did the garage door move? No. No, repeat it. There's garage door. We're doing this one right here.
Yeah. Said you.
Okay. On the send signal button, we held it for like a minute or so and it didn't work. And so we pushed the repeat button and then pushed it again for 10 seconds or so and the garage door opened. So I think we're good now. The next step, you had to click on next after the garage door opened and add a location. So we're changing this location name here to small garage. Small door. Then we're going to push next. Okay, so supposedly this works. Well, do we want to see if this opens the door?
Yeah.
Is that how it's supposed to work? Yep. All right, that worked. We're going to do another one, see if we can demonstrate this. Okay. We're programming the garage door. Why does this always have to be so difficult? This is the 21st century, and this literally is like getting a new iPhone, and it's such a traumatic experience for everyone. But we did get it to work on the first one. All right. This thing did not work. The top one works. So we do have the door where we normally store the Porsche working. We're trying to program the other door right in front of us. This is the look of disgust. But we did get the one working where the Porsche normally goes. So I guess it's still a win. This is a little frustrating. This whole new version with the technology and all needs some work. Thanks for joining us at the Full Octane Garage. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And check us out on Facebook and Instagram. And check out Driving with Melissa and her content on Facebook and Instagram. And we're now working on a YouTube video, so our YouTube channel. We're trying to get monetized over there. So do us a favor and jump over there and say hi to her. We'll see you soon at the Full Octane Garage. Or we'll still be sitting out here. Hope that helped.